Weche moko ma bende wuok e kaunti ma Homabay ni jaod bura ma Mbita Millicent Milly Mabona okwayo piny owacho mondo koro oket anena e kar keto jogo ma oresi moyudo masiche mago mag pi e nam Lolwe. Milly ne loso bang' ka jolupo moko adek koro noyangi ni notho e nam Lolwe, to jomoko ariyo kata jowetegi ariyo moko to noresi e dho wath mano ma Nyagina e Suba North. Milly wacho ni nitiere chandruok maduong' ahinya ma piny owacho nyaka kaw motegno e reso ngima jopiny tiyo to kod nam Lolwe. Jolupogo iwacho ni wuok e dho wath ma Kombe kanochomo Guna ma kapok masira ma kamano koro nomakogi. Olero ni achiedh nade mantie nitiere bwo daraja mar Mbita Causeway matudo chula kaachiel kod lo motwo en gino makoro onego non matut ahinya. Kata kamano okwayo jogo duto tebe matiyo to kod pi nogono mar nam Lolwe ne ni orwako life jackets mondo po nono giyudo masira moro amora to gin jogo minyalo resi mapiyo kendo nyalo ne kuonde ma gintiere.
Especially for the people of Suba North, because we just buried the first victim of the other lake tragedy yesterday. We still have two who have not even been buried, and then this one has now befallen us again. So let me first of all take this opportunity to say pole sana to the people who are bereaved. I want to then say that it is indeed very saddening that we had the Parliamentary Committee on Security that were visiting here yesterday. The committee had raised an issue with the Parliament, and the Parliamentary Committee came. They have not even finished their report, and this tragedy has happened. There indeed is a problem that the national government must take urgent action around to secure the lives of the people here. The other one that happened in Homabay, I think the issues that were arising there were issues, for instance, to do with the people not wearing life jackets and all that. But here, we have a new emerging problem that the national government must deal with very urgently. That you look at this causeway, this is actually also where my father died. And what happens is, because it is very deep, it cost a lot of lives around that time when the bridge was not built. When the bridge was built, the cases or the incidents of death went down. But now that you can even see there's still a ship that is dredging. There's a dredging equipment over there. And therefore it means that it is even going to be much deeper, because we are expecting ship to pass from here all the way to Tanzania and Uganda. And because of that, the current that is going to be felt right under the bridge is going to be extremely severe. And this tragedy is just evidence of what we are talking about. And so the national government must do one.